First things first, everybody, wash your hands. What's up, Adventure Buddies? Welcome back to Cooking with G Muffin. In this week's video, we are going to be cooking chocolate chip cookies. But before we get started, let's cue the intro. We dedicated this video for our friend Connor Collin, who said his favorite cookie is chocolate chip, so we decided to make it for him. Thanks, Connor. First step, we gotta preheat the oven to 350. First, you add 1.5 cups of flour. Next, we add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, you add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then we stir it all about. Next, we're gonna add 6 teaspoons of sugar. Then you get your second bowl and you get a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Now for our 1/2 cup of melted butter, but be careful, it might be hot. Now it's time to stir it. Now we're gonna add an egg and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Now let's stir it all up. Now let's combine the 2 bowls and stir it all up. Now let's get 2 1/4 of chocolate chips. Now let's stir this up. That's a ton of chocolate chips. This is gonna be great. Yay for sugar. Now let's get out our cooking spray. Now get a spoon and start making little balls of cookie dough. Now it's time to put it into the oven for 10 to 13 minutes. Alexa, set the timer for 13 minutes.
13 minutes, starting now.
It's time to wash the dishes. I'm so excited, they're ready. Let's wait until it cools off so then we can take a bite. Thanks for watching Cooking with G Muffin. Thanks, Connor Collin. This one's for you. And remember, life's an adventure. Who are you going on it with? Who are you going on it with? Where's everybody? Well, I guess all these are for me.